So good morning everybody. Let me show you how Rotterdam looks on a really foggy morning. This is the Coolsingel Street, and basically it connects the center of Rotterdam with the south of Rotterdam, going through the Erasmus Bridge. I bet this must be a paradise for photographers to get inspired and get some good kind of night shots, although it's 7 in the morning. But I think the mist creates some really nice ambience for photography. After I returned from Cyprus, I've been catching up with some personal stuff, getting some things settled. So this is the first recording after a while. Let me show you something else. This incredible building is a Stadthouse. It took them like 3 or 4 years to restore it. Or at least that's what I think. I was in Rotterdam in 2018 and they were restoring it, and until 2020, 2021. So I got my lunch and now I'm ready to work. This is the Lijnbaan. It's one of the top commercial streets in Rotterdam. And with that I meant that most stores are located there. And while the Lijnbaan is the main commercial street, you have a street next to it called Korte Lijnbaan that has more restaurants and cafes. This is one of the things that I like the most about Rotterdam, is that they have really cool architecture and they put art in every place that they can. You saw there the waterfalls, and here there's another piece of art or another mural. And they do that everywhere. So if you explore the city and you go on a mural hunt, yeah, you will find a lot. For example, this street is full of different sculptures. They are really bizarre, I don't even know what they mean. I guess you have to use your imagination. And there's art for everybody, look at that. It's a Santa with a dildo. Or a bad plug.